Huh?
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 You know what I noticed from recording so many voice packs and doing both Japanese and English voice packs that I already sound like a kid doing English voice packs, but like when I do Japanese voice packs, my voice even becomes like 5-year-old. I don't know what happens when I speak Japanese, but like it becomes even more baby when I speak Japanese. I don't know how it works, but yeah, English I'll be fine, normal, but then when I go to Nihongo voice, it just ahaha